This video is slime pet peeves. I hate it whenever people, every 5 seconds, they take for a thumbnail. Every 5 seconds for a thumbnail. Another one is, I hate whenever they do it so hard. Another one is whenever it falls apart. Another one is whenever they talk and play with the slime. Okay guys, so today we will be doing a slime tutorial, and we will also be doing a whisper challenge. So let's do this video. I love slime. And another one is whenever it sticks to you and it gets really messy. And I can't think of any more pet peeves. So, thank you for watching my video. And I hope you guys all have a good day and not have any pet peeves. So, bye.